Hello, friends. Welcome to our Spring Flowers podcast. I'm Miss Sophia, and I'm so excited to tell you about all the pretty flowers that grow in springtime.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mr. James, and I love flowers too. Miss Sophia, can you tell us what flowers are?
Of course, flowers are beautiful plants that grow from the ground. They have pretty colors, nice smells, and they make our world look so happy and bright.
That sounds wonderful. But why do flowers only come in spring? Why don't we see them all year long?
Good question, Mr. James. In winter, it's very cold and snowy. The flowers are sleeping under the ground, staying warm and cozy. When spring comes, the weather gets warmer and warmer. The sun shines brighter, and the rain helps the flowers wake up.
Oh, so flowers need warmth and rain to grow. That makes sense. What about the colors? What colors do spring flowers have?
Oh, there are so many beautiful colors. Some flowers are bright yellow, like little suns. Some are pink and soft, like cotton candy. We have purple flowers, white flowers, and even red flowers that look like hearts.
Wow! Yellow, pink, purple, white, and red. That's like a rainbow. Can you tell us about some special spring flowers?
Absolutely. Let me tell you about tulips. Tulips are very popular in spring. They have smooth petals that feel like silk. Tulips can be red, yellow, pink, or purple. They look like little cups or bells.
Bells. I love that. What about daisies? Are those spring flowers too?
Yes, daisies are wonderful spring flowers. They have white petals around a yellow center. They look like little suns with white rays. Daisies are very cheerful and happy flowers. Kids love picking daisies and making daisy chains.
That sounds so fun. What other flowers bloom in spring?
There are daffodils. Daffodils are bright yellow and orange. They have a special shape with a trumpet in the middle. Daffodils are often the first flowers to bloom in spring. They're like nature's way of saying hello.
Hello from the flowers. I like that. Tell us about roses, too.
Roses are very special flowers. They can be red, pink, yellow, or white. Roses have many soft petals that overlap like a beautiful dress. They smell wonderful and sweet. Roses are often given as gifts because they're so pretty.
Roses sound very fancy. What about the shapes of flowers? Are they all the same shape?
Oh, they're all different. Some flowers are round like balls. Some are shaped like stars with pointy parts. Some look like bells hanging down. Some flowers have petals that go all around like a circle. Each flower has its own special shape.
Amazing. So flowers come in different colors and different shapes? Why do you think flowers are so important?
Flowers are very important. Bees and butterflies love flowers. They visit the flowers to drink sweet juice called nectar. When they do, they help make new flowers grow. Flowers also make our gardens and parks beautiful and colorful.
Flowers help bees and butterflies, and they make everything pretty. What can kids do with spring flowers?
Oh, so many things. Kids can pick flowers and put them in a vase with water. They can smell the sweet scents. They can draw pictures of flowers. They can plant flower seeds in the ground and watch them grow. They can make flower crowns and have flower parties.
That sounds like so much fun. Can you give us some tips for taking care of spring flowers?
Of course. If you pick flowers, put them in water right away. Change the water every few days. Keep them away from very hot places. If you're planting flowers, give them water and sunshine. Be gentle with the flowers because they're delicate.
Gentle and careful. I like that. Miss Sophia, what's your favorite spring flower?
Oh, that's hard to choose. I love tulips because they come in so many colors and they're so cheerful. But I also love daisies because they're simple and happy. What about you, Mr. James?
I love daffodils because they're the first flowers to come in spring. They're like little messengers telling us that warm weather is coming.
That's beautiful. Well, friends, I hope you learned about spring flowers today. Remember, when spring comes, look outside and see all the colorful flowers blooming. Pick some flowers, smell them, and enjoy their beauty.
Thank you for listening to our Spring Flowers podcast. Go outside and find some flowers. Have fun and enjoy the beautiful springtime.
Goodbye, friends. Happy spring.